Yeah. I don't know what to say, bro. So, good afternoon mga katuks. Sudden fishing tayo kasi meron tayong mga bisita galing from Bohol pa. Samahan natin sila. Yan si Bro Francis. Yan si Master Francis. Welcome to Santa Ana, bro, ha?
Power.
And your fishing buddy. Welcome here to Santa Ana. Englishan na to mga kaibigan. Mapapasubo ako dito. So, subukan natin mag-English. Alright. Okay lang kayo. Sige raw. Alright mga katuks, ito yung kauna-unahang fishing English episode natin. Ayan, no. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go lang ang alam kong sabihin mga kaibigan. Mahihain ako sa mga bisita natin. Alright, so hopefully mapagbigyan tayo ngayon para mapakita natin or mapakita natin kung paano tayo ma-zero bilang isang angler dito sa Santa Ana. Gamit tayo ng medium. Ito popper. Let's go. Parehas pa kami ng ulo, oh, thread. So dito muna tayo. Tingnan natin. Anti-zero. Popper ako mga kaibigan. Popper muna tayo. Hindi natin alam. Medyo magalaw yung alon mga katuks. Medyo malakas-lakas eh. Pero parang itong mga bisita natin guys, parang go na go sila. Kaya pinagbigyan ko na. Although hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko ngayong araw talaga. So gusto ko lang silang madala sa mga spot natin. So you know guys, parang sigurado na. You know guys, I see a lot of bluefin coming to the popper but they did not bite. Actually, basta ganun mga katuks. Marami akong nakikita ng bluefin pero ayaw nilang kumagat. Sumusunod-sunod lang sila sa popper. Yan yung ibig kong sabihin mga kaibigan. Subukan natin sa ibang part. Ayan, no? So mamaw spot natin to. Pero ayan, mataas-taas pa yung araw. May tendency na mailap pa yung isda ngayon. Hintayin lang natin na mag-low tide siya konti. So dito ako pumwepesto sa part na to. Ayan guys, unat agad. Meron malaki dyan sa harap natin mga katuks. Alright guys, I feel like there's a GT surrounding us today. Right, we have to be extra careful with this fucking slippery person. Ay, stone pala. Wala pa tayong napapakagat. Ito na naman yung sabi natin. Talagang hindi pa rin nabibreak yung sumpang pag-zero natin sa ilang araw mga kaibigan na pagpunta dito. Tingnan lang muna natin itong mga kasama natin. Ayan sila. Ayan sila. Mga Bohol anglers. Hey, casting to the moon. Non-stop casting. So kanina sayang kasi yung napakawalan natin. Kung nakuha sana natin yun, di may huli na tayo. Ilang oras pa tayo dito, then mamaya pabalik na tayo dun. Pero take time lang guys, kasi yung mga ganitong oras sakaling pumapagilid yung mga GT nya. Fish on! Woohoo! That's a big fish! Oh, that's a big fish! A big fish! Oh my goodness! You can do that! Oh, no, you can do it! Oh!
Where do I put it?
How are we gonna land it, bro? Oh, I'm going to pick it up. Just bring it to the reef. Go! Alright! Your second catch! Yeah, just bring it here. Come on, reel it up. Reel it up. Pull it up. Oh, that's down. All right.
Hoping you'll never hit my one.
Oh, no, I hope so.
Congrats, congrats.
Yay!
Meron na. Ang laki, no?
I can hold this or a shark bato.
You have to put it there first because there might be a chance to lose it.
Good man, hold it up, hold it up.
Wait lang.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ah, no! It hurts my hand.
You're against the light.
Yeah, against the light. Babe, let's go there.
You have to go there. I can hold this one.
You hold the fish now.
All right. Okay, okay.
I'm shaking.
Let's go. Yun. Saan na kaya yung kumagat sa atin kanina? Sana bumalik pa. My goodness! Eto na ang laban, guys. Sige. Eto. Higpit tayo. GT guys. Ay, camera muna. Englishin ko sana pero baka kung ano-ano lumabas sa bunganga ko. Here it comes. Here it comes, boy. Huwag ka lang sa reef. Oh, malapit na. Huwag ka dyan, Gagi. GT guys, GT. Ay! Woo! Sayang! Woohoo! My goodness, that's a big one, boy. Woohoo! My goodness, oh. Oh, your hook was gone. That's a big one. That's a big one, man. Oh my goodness, your power. Oh,
I was so close.
I'm telling you, this is a big giant spot. My goodness, I can now admit that I will not going to catch any fish today. Depungol mga kaibigan. Pa-English pa kasi. Ayan tuloy. But anyway guys, nice experience. Nakita nila naman yung spot natin. So hindi na ako mamingwit mga katoks. Hintayin ko na lang sila sa clip. Tuwi na kami kasi delikado na yung panahon dito sa part na to. Baka abutan kami. At mag-aalas sa isa din. Kagatan sa time na to dito sa spot natin. At actually nagsesenyas na yung bangkero namin. Uwi na kami. So okay na. Oh, wow! Pinagbigyan! Yeah. I got you, bro. Pinagbigyan din mga kadogs yung ating bisita.
Ay,
Pauwi na kami ay meron pa nahuli. Ha?
maybe it's on hook.
No, it's coming.
It's light now, man.
Oh my goodness.
On hook.
So it's not our day, bro. It's not our day. Alright, so
On hook again.
Uy, huwag natin patayin eh. Kung lang sana nag-alala
Fuck's sake, man.
para naman makahuli.
kaya nga eh.
Pinapatay mo kasi.
Kasi pag papunta tayo dun, baka mas ma-loose, di ba?
Hindi, saka na lang pwedeng patayin pag nandiyan na yun.
Oo. Dapat
sure, you sure, right?
tik. Ah, yes. Sayang mga kaibigan, wala pa rin sa amin nakakahuli. So, go ahead. Go ahead, bro. Go, bro. Go, bro. That one. Big one, boy. Big one, man. That's big. You have to...
My drag is heavy, bro.
Yeah. You have to...
Maybe it's a rock. I don't know.
No, it's not. It's not.
Take it light.
Nagalayan ko. Ito ba?
Ah, it's rock.
It's bato.
What? Yeah.
I don't know.
Is it fish?
Can you feel it?
I can't feel anything. Maybe a rock.
My goodness. Bato yata. It's rock on, not fish on.
Careful, bro. It's shallow.
Nadalim dyan yan na lang ah.
Ala, sige, sige. You have to reel it up.
Malalim sa akin. Yung pinagdaanan ko
You have to reel it up.
Siyempre naiipit ako. Sa Bakura yun.
He's okay. Tell him to watch the corals, man. It's very shallow.
Yeah. It's okay, it's okay.
Habang binibilis ko yan,
You can...
mas lalong lang.
DJ ta, agpakas dyan, agturong tayo dyan eh. Dyan. Agkas mo. Awan si ka, bato.
Pag mabilis yan, lalong lumalalim.
Oh, do you feel? Do you feel any fight?
Kaya nga din
It's rock on, baby.
So shallow.
Yeah, babe, but you went faster.
Until now. There's a fish. My goodness mga kadok. Again. So,
Maybe it snapped on something. It's shallow. I can't feel
no,
anything.
this is not a shallow. That's a fish.
No way, unhooked again.
Talaga o ano?
Again?